So for this video, we're going to add the bottom section. And since that bottom section comes after this this table here, I'm going to add only one more row and divide it into two sections or two cells. So I don't want to use this row again because it has multiple compartments. So I think it's better to go ahead and close this out, which already is closed out. Here's the end of that table. And so I'm just going to kind of scroll down so you can still see this. I'm going to then go after this table close, which is right here. I'm going to come up here and copy my code for this table so everything aligns right or correctly. I'm going to come down here and paste it. So I'm going to open a new table. I'm going to center the table. I'm going to color the background blue. I'm going to open a row. And I'm going to close the row. Just for continuity's sake, I don't want to forget to close the row. Inside, I want two cells. I want one cell here, and we go about halfway, and one cell here. So I'm going to add two cells, which is TD, TD, close cell, open, close the TD. And just to speed things up, I'm going to copy and paste here. Now in this one, I want to put an image. And I'm going to just call it, I'm going to put it in a P just to make life easier so you can read it. /P. And I'm going to, I forgot to close the table actually. That's why it's not showing. Let me close the other table, TABLE. And it should show up now, hopefully. Let me save and refresh and see what's happening. There it is. Sometimes you have to save and refresh to sort of kickstart it. Now you see I have two cells here, and I have one cell with an image. And what I want to do is, so if the maximum width's 800, I want to split this into 400. So I'm going to go into my cell, and I'm going to just copy this width equals. And I'm going to come here under the cell itself and paste that, and I'm going to turn it into 400. So I'm going to make it 400. So that should be half. There you go. There's basic math, right? The total width's 800. From here to here is 800. From here to halfway is 400. That's why I like doing this, so it's easier to do the math in your head. And here is going to be, let's see here, I'm going to make it an H1. I'm going to make an H3 heading. And I'm going to say web page title. So this TITLE. And I'm going to close my H3. Now the reason I say this is essentially what we can do is use this entire format. Once we get it all set up the way we really want, we can use this entire format for every page. And we can have over here the specific title for this individual web page. So if I made another, say this one's over my company, introducing to my company, and you go to a link that says about us, here it would say this is have the company's information, the logo, but here it'd be about us, and it might have information about location of the company, whereas the main page might say, hey, welcome to us, we're a school. And the other one might say, well, here's the principal, here's the vice principal, something like that. Now, I don't like the image to be this wide, so let's split it up about a third. So I'm going to do this, let's do 300. Or 250. So we have a picture over here. Yeah, there we go. And then have some text over here. So I'm going to capitalize title. And then over here I can have a paragraph, and web page info. And then I'm going to close my P. And I might want to center this, so I'm going to align. I'm just going to come up here and copy this, text align to center, and paste it in here. Because all this is saying all H3 in between here is going to be, the text itself is going to be aligned to center. So there you go. Hopefully this will help you with the basic construction, and we'll come in later and start adding pictures if you want to, start changing colors so that maybe this is a different color than this one. Maybe this is just white so it's easier to read. We can do that another time.